Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. I'm Laura and we're going to do just a fun dance along. Join on in.
Me, myself, and I, all in love with you. We all think you're wonderful, we do. Me, myself, and I have just one point of view. We're convinced there's no one else like you. It can't be denied, dear. You brought the sun to us. We'd be satisfied, dear. You belong to one of us, so if you pass me by, 3 hearts will break in two. 'Cause me, myself, and I are all in love with you. It can't be denied, dear. You brought the sun to us. We'd be satisfied, dear, if you belong to one of us. So if you pass me by, 3 hearts will break in two. 'Cause me, myself, and I are all in love with you.
Let's do a water break, and as we do, let's talk about Patreon. Thank you, people of Patreon, for helping to support me, making this video free for everybody in the world, including people like you. I really appreciate your support. It's a voluntary subscription. If you want to join them, the link is in the description. Let's do one more. you had fun and got your sweat on. If you did, click like, subscribe, comment, the YouTube algorithm, all of that stuff. If you like the music we're dancing to, it's Michael Gamble's Rhythm Serenaders, and you can get a link to that in the description. And half the money that I get from this YouTube channel goes towards organizations that support African diasporic artists and art, because Lindy Hop is a black dance and that's super important, and the best way to learn how to dance is to dance. I forgot to mention, Lucy, this video is for you. Thank you for watching and dancing along.